Okay, children. So in lines and angles, first topic, lines and angles. The first topic we are going to discuss is children today, complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary and supplementary angles. Children. Okay. So children, what do you mean by complementary angles means sum of angles will be equal to 90 degrees. What is supplementary angles means sum of all angles. How many it may be? 180 degrees. Complementary means sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. Supplementary means sum of two angles should be 180 degrees. Like that. Okay. So in questions, different varieties of questions will give children. So in the link in description, children, please see here. First seventh question and eighth question we will do children. Very easy questions. Write the complement of the following angles. First one is 20, other one is 35, other one is 90, other one is 77. Okay, and other one is 30 degrees. What are the complementary angles for these angles? They are asking complementary angles. If one angle is 20, what will be the other angle, children? Complementary angle?
70, sir.
70, sir.
70. That's all. Because from 90 we should remove 20. The 20 plus 70 is 90. If one angle is 35, what will be the other, children?
55, sir.
90 minus 55. If one angle is 90, what is the other angle, children?
0, sir. 0, sir.
So 90.
0. Okay, complementary. If one angle is 77, what will be the other angle, children?
23.
13 degrees. Okay, children. If one angle is 90, what is the other angle, children?
0.
60 degrees. Hey, gone mad you are. Okay. So like this we will do. This is the seventh question, children. Please check eighth question also. Some basic questions, children. Basic level questions you should know. Okay. 54 degrees. What is the other one? 132, 138, 132, 138, 132, 138, 140, 160. 140, 160. If one angle is 54, what is the other supplementary angle? Supplementary angle. 180 minus 54. How much, children? It is 126 degrees. Okay, children. If one angle is 132, what is the other angle, children? Other angle, how to find out? Anyone?
So 180 minus 132.
180 minus 132. How much it is, children? 48 degrees. If one angle is 138, what is the other angle, children? 180 minus 138. So sum of two angles should be supplementary. If one angle is 140, what is the other angle? 180 minus
140, sir.
40 degrees. If one angle is 160, what is the other angle, children?
Yes, sir.
20 degrees. Like this we should do. That's all. These are basic level sums, children. Basic level sums. Okay. Apart from this sums, children, first page I will do, children. Second page you do it as homework for me, children. First page I am doing all of you. Please see here. First page I will do, children. Second page you do it as homework. Okay. Whenever they say, children, basics I'm saying, you remember these basics, then only you can do the sum, children. Complementary and two complementary angles. If they say two complementary angles, one you take x, other one you take 90 minus x. Okay, suppose if one is 20, what will be the other? 90 minus 20, 70. Suppose one is 40, 50. What will be the other? 90 minus 50, 40. Because 50 plus 40 is 90 only. So whenever they say two complementary angles, take one as x and another as 90 minus x. That is basic rule. If you know that rule, you can do any sum, children. And one more sum I'm saying, if this is two supplementary angles, if they say two supplementary angles, if one is x, take other one as 180 minus x. Okay, children, two supplementary angles. Suppose if one is 120, what is the other one? 180 minus 120, that is 60. Suppose if one is 140, what is the other one? 180 minus 140, that is 40. Like that. Whenever they say two supplementary angles, take x and 180 minus x. Whenever they say complementary angles, take x and 90 minus x. Like this, if you know any question, you can do, children. Now start doing the questions. Okay, everywhere I will be using this principle only, and don't get confused. When I say complementary, x 90 minus x. When I say supplementary, x 180 minus x. Okay, children, sure, let's start. First question. All of you please check, children. First question. Find the measure of angle which is complement of itself. Okay, children, complement means, again I'm saying, complement means what, children? One is x, one is 90 minus x. Find the measure of angle. Find the measure of angle which is complement of itself. These both are equally same.
So 90
This and
degrees.
this and this. Nana, please don't talk, Nana. Please listen. Find an angle which is complement of itself. Both are equal. So bring this here. X plus x is equal to 90. 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 45. 45 degrees is complement to 45 degrees. Yes or no, children? 45 plus 45 is 90, no? Think like that. If you don't understand the problem, then you'll get confusion, children. Try to understand the sum. You should have proper understanding on the sum. Those who didn't understand, find a supplement which is find an angle which is supplement of itself. Find an angle which is supplement of itself means an angle which is supplement of itself. They both are equal. Bring x here, children. X plus x is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 90. So 90 degrees is supplement of 90 degrees. Means they both are equal. Understood, children? The basic. Third question. If an angle is equal to 5 times of its complement, one children, one is x, other one is 90. An angle is 5 times of its complement. You can do in two methods, children. Two methods I will show, but from next round on, I will do one method. An angle is 5 times of its complement. You can take x is equal to 5 times of 90 minus x. You can take, or you can take 90 minus x is equal to 5 times of x. Your wish. Again, I'm saying an angle is 5 times of its complement, or an angle is 5 times of its complement. Either you can put x here or you can put 90 minus x first. Anyway, you do same answer you'll get. If you want, you check. An angle is 5 times of its complement. Okay. So x is equal to 5 into 490 is 450 minus 5x. This will come here, children. This will come here. All of you see here, children. It's come. Okay. So what you will get, children? 6x is equal to 450. Please check, children. X is equal to 450 by 6. X is equal to 6 7s are 42, 6 5s are 30, 75. If one angle is 75, what will be the other, children? 15 degrees. What is the statement? Statement writing is very important. What you will write? What you will write? 75 degrees is 5 times of 15 degrees. Right? 75 degrees is 5 times of 15 degrees. That's what he said, no? An angle is 5 times of its complement. 75 degrees is 5 times of its complement. Or else do like that, children. Here also. And an angle is 5 times of its complement. Bring x here, children. So what you will get? 90 is equal to 6x. Bring 6 down, children. X is equal to 90 by 6. X is equal to 15 degrees. If one angle is 15 degrees, what is the other angle, children? 90 minus 15, that is 75 degrees. What will be your statement, children? 75 degrees is 5 times of 15 degrees. Any way you do, you will get the answer, children. Okay, so basic thing you should understand, an angle is 5 times of its complement, or an angle is 5 times of its complement. Anyway, you can use the sum, children. You'll get. Only thing is you should understand properly the question. If you don't understand these basic questions, in future, just you will be doing that's all, children. Without understanding, you will be doing the sums. That's all. There is no use of doing like that, children. Sums. Okay. Go to fourth question, children. All of you. Go to fourth question, please. An angle is 1/3 of its complement. Fourth question. Okay, complement means one is x, other one is 19 minus x. An angle is anything you can take, children. Sir took 90 minus x. No, we should take like that only. Nothing like that. I can take x also, children. But 90 minus x, if you take here, it will be easy. That's all. An angle is 1/3 of its complement. 1/3 of its complement. Okay, children. So 90 minus x is equal to x by 3. Bring x here, children. 90 is equal to x by 3 plus x. 90 is equal to 3 LCM, children. X plus 3x. 90 is equal to 4x by 3. Bring 3 up, 4 down, children. So x is equal to 90 into 3 by 4. Okay, children. X is equal to 2s are 45s are 45 3s are 135 by 2, children. X is equal to 2 6 are 62.5. If one angle is 62.5, what is the other angle, children? 90 minus 62.5. How much it will be? 17.5. 17 or 27, children? 27.5. Sorry. 27.5. Okay, children. So what is the statement here? Statement is important, children. 27.5 is 1/3 of 62.5 degrees. That is the answer. 27.5 degrees is 1/3 of 62.5 degrees. What is that? An angle is 1/3 of its complement. An angle is 1/3 of its complement. That's what 27.5 is 1/3 of its 62.5. Like that, you should do, children. If you don't understand the sum, children, waste of doing. Okay, in textbook you won't get this many sums, children. Please try to understand. If not, your wish. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 2:3. Very easy question, children. Next question, fifth question. Two supplementary angles, children. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 2:3. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 2:3. This supplementary is saying, children, 2:3. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Directly you take, children, 2x plus 3x. Two supplementary angles are 180 degrees, children. 5x is equal to 180 degrees, children. X is equal to 180 by 5, children. X is equal to 36 degrees. So one is 2 into 36. The other one is 3 into 36, children. So 2 into 36 is 72 degrees. And 3 into 36 is 108 degrees. So two angles 72 degrees and 108 degrees are in 2:3 ratio. If you do like this, then you become perfect in the maths. Simply marking up of maths and doing that, this will not help you, children. Sixth one, children. The supplement is 1/3 of itself. Same like this, children. This now I give supplement. Supplement is one is x, another is 180 minus x. Supplement is 1/3 of itself. Anyone wants to say this sum, children? Anyone want to say this sum? Supplement is 1/3 of
Can
itself. Tell now.
So 180 minus x
X
is equal
is
to x by 3.
1/3 of x. Very good. Okay.
180 equal to 1 by 3 x plus x.
Okay.
180 equal to
Okay.
3x plus x by
Okay.
3.
Okay.
180 equal to
Okay. 3 will come up, 4 will go down. Children, 180 into 3 is equal to 4x. Okay. Next. X is equal to 183 by
equal to
4.
180 into 3 by 4. 40, sir.
135 degrees. Can you tell me the statement, Amma? Can you tell me the statement? If one angle is 135 degrees, if one angle is 135 degrees, what is the other angle? 180 minus 130. What is the other angle? 180 minus 30, 135 is how much, Amma?
45 degrees.
45.
35 degrees. Yeah, sorry. 45 degrees. Can you tell me the statement, Tom? Statement. 45 degrees is
45 degrees is 1/3 of 180 degrees.
fantastic.
So, 1/3
1/3 of 135 degrees. 45 is 1/3 of 135 degrees. 45 is the degrees is 1/3 of 135 degrees. You should do like this. You should do like this. Sixth sum. Go to seventh sum, children. Over here. You should understand the sum, children. If you don't understand, it's very difficult. Seventh and eighth are over. Ninth one, children. Ninth one. If an angle is 28 less than its complement. Anyone wants to say this, children? Angle is 28 degrees less than its complement. First, the complement means what, children? One is x, other one is 90 minus x. Anyone wants to try, children? Anyone wants to try?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah.
Sir, x minus 20, x minus 23 is equal to 90
An
minus
angle
x.
Angle is
23 times.
28 degrees less than its complement. 28 degrees less. 28
X minus
degrees
20.
less than its complement. 28 degrees less than its complement. 28
Yes.
degrees less than. This here. Children, all of you log in as
Nine.
children. Okay?
Plus 20.
Yeah. So tell.
90 plus 28. That x is equal to 118 by 2. X is equal to 59 degrees.
If one is 59, what is the other one? 31.
31, sir.
So what is the statement?
If one angle is 59
31
degrees, the other
is 31 degrees is 28 degrees less than 59 degrees.
59 degrees.
31 degrees is 28 less than 59 degrees.